Since the last time I posted how to make bar soap using fatty oil, I actually opened a whole lot of people's eyes to show to them that there are other types of oil you can use and make bar soap, and that fatty oil is one of them, and it's actually cheaper. But all of a sudden, I don't know if it is because of awareness, the price of the fatty oil is now skyrocketing, shooting up high, as if it wants to even compete with the normal palm kernel oil that we use in making bar soap. People normally wonder, why is it that we only make bar soap on my channel using palm kernel oil? Number one, it lathers very well. People will not complain. If I make bar soap with 100% tallow or anything of that such soap, it won't lather. So you need a high combination of oils that can lather and lesser concentration of oils that can gain you long lasting, like tallow and palm oil. So please, in this video, I will teach you again on how to combine some other oils into your fatty oil and make a very good quality soap. Soap that can lather very well, wash out clothes, remove stains, and also soap that will last, that will not dry quickly, or sorry, that will not like finish quickly in water when they are using it. On that effect, I will be combining animal fat, which is called tallow, to make this soap. I'll be making a total liter of 4 liters of oil in this bar soap production. Oh yeah, get your pen and paper. Before you ask me how many did you use, get your pen and paper. Just go and get it. Pause the video. Go and bring your pen and paper and write down what I'm saying. I'll be measuring 720 grams of caustic soda, and I'll dissolve it inside 3.5 liters of water. Before you ask me, did you use it hot or did you use it cold? I'm using it immediately as I'm mixing it. Not more than 5 minutes time, I'll make use of that caustic soda. I didn't say you should go and dissolve 25 kg of caustic inside water last month and then you want to use it and make soap now. Please stay clear. Don't ask me that kind of question. Now I added 3 liters of my fatty oil into my mixing vessel to make my soap. On the point of using my caustic soda, I now added 200 grams of 200 grams of soda ash into my caustic soda water. Reason being that it's laundry soap and we need it to remove stains from clothes, and also I want to also up the quantity of the alkalinity to a bit because I'm using massive water. This is 4 liters of oil and 3.5 liters of water to make this soap. Bear in mind that fatty oil, if you make it only it alone, sometimes it takes a longer time to dry compared to normal PKO. So sometimes you can even combine fatty oil and PKO together, or fatty oil and palm oil, like those who make brown soap, combine those two oils together, or fatty oil and tallow. Please, that is the best ways to use it. You can see immediately I added in my hot caustic and then the soda ash into it because it's fatty oil. Fatty oil is known to gel as quickly as possible. You know, they waste time. Don't go and rush in cold water. Cold process is not for fatty oil. Use your light while it's still hot, so make sure your children are not around when you are soaping. As you mix am, pour it into the soap. You saw immediately the soap started gelling, started turning like mashed potato. From mashed potato it will gel. What I added now was my beef tallow. I didn't include it in the beginning when I started making soap, but I've added it now. Shebi, I've seen it. I have my reason of doing it like this. Follow my procedure and do it the same way I did it. So coming with your second oil. Once you must have mixed for at least 2 to 5 minutes, then go in with your fat. Immediately I added the fat, you notice that the texture actually changed from how it was before. It became more jelly, like Vaseline jelly. Oh yeah, mix everything together, incorporate everything. Yeah, finish soaping. Soap is ready. If you pour this in inside your mold, before you turn your eye, it must have caked, it must have gelled. So those complaints of banglam, I made the recipe, the next morning oil was floating on top, oil was floating under. Those are soaps that actually wanted to gel, but you did not allow it to gel. You were so scared, you just poured it into your mold. If you have soap separation, put it on heat, gradual heat, and allow the soap to cook properly and gel perfectly, and you pour it into your mold. Don't be scared. Control your soap. You people should stop allowing your soaps to control you. It's not nice. Don't be scared. I'm afraid of making soap. Oh yeah, leave soap making. Go and do something again. I can't learn online. Yeah, people that teach online don't know how to teach. I want to learn it physical. Say zoo. I learned how to make soap online. Unless you know, just kuku just want to learn. If you want to learn, you will learn. You put your minds to it and you will learn properly. My bar soap making class is 10,000. They know they come out at 1,000 naira. Even 500 naira, don't remove from it. I don't even want to hear that you've been making soap since. So because of that, I should remove money. My private receipts are private for a reason. Now, what I added was my foaming agent. If you want, buy foam booster from market and add. If it's small SLS you have in your house, add. But I use sulfonic acid because that was what I had at 100 ml. And then I added sodium silicate because it will help this soap. You need sodium silicate if you are using fatty oil. It will help your soap to gel perfectly. The gelling will come complete. You can see it now. No more separation like that. And then the soap will harden. Sodium silicate will help your soap to harden and give it a little bit shiny effect. Unlike palm oil soap, when they green sharp, especially in cold process method. Then I dissolve my color and my fragrance and add. Is this not easy to do? No, tell me, why are you always saying that soap making is difficult? I've never made. Jesus. I have one lady that tried making soap. She made all the soap she made from beginning to end almost 10 times. All of them came out bad. Sometimes I was now like asking her, what is the matter? She need to go and pray to God before she start making soap again. When you are making soap, try and be on the good mood, right mood. Don't be angry. Don't be pissed off with somebody. Don't be distracted with pressing your phone. Put your full focus and attention in your soap making. Avoid anything that will make you to stand up. If you are still making food for your family, don't start making soap. Make sure you are done with all your chores and everything that can distract you before you go and start making soap. Can you see? Did you see that soap I'm holding in my hand? Can you see how jelly and beautiful the soap is looking? Is it not what you want? Market texture. Bam Glam, teach me how to make a jelly soap that is like baby and me. Hey God, teach me how to make soap that is like Viva soap. I don't yet entire shower, but all the same, add in your color. I'm using water soluble color. Before you start asking again, is it oil soluble or water soluble color? You can use oil soluble color, you can use water soluble color. The thing is that the density and the intensity of the color I'm using, if you want to get this texture, this color I'm actually using, you have to use a water soluble color. And this color I sell it 3,800 naira per kg. Lemon color is sold at 5,000 naira per kg. There's also green also. You can message me on WhatsApp if you want to buy colors. We can send it to you anywhere you are. We can send to you. It's just way bill. Some of us will be thinking, how will I buy small thing like this and now way bill it? You're never ready for production. No. I've way billed one small item I bought from Lagos one certain time. Hohoba bit 5,500. I now use 5,000 and way bill it from all the way from Lagos to Port Harcourt. So please, you want to do production, you do it with your clean mind, or you can combine with people who are also buying all these materials, and then it will make things cheaper for you. So on that note, everything that we did now, I'm repeating it again, but I'm making it in lemon green color. I'm using 2 of my mold that you will buy from my mini cutter to make this soap. My mini cutter is 50,000 naira. If you buy that mini cutter, we have 2 molds. One is 20 inches by length and one is 16 inches by length. I will use the same measurement for the 2 mold so that you understand what I mean by it depends on the volume of your batter. Now the volume of the batter is the same thing, the same 4 liters of oil, the same 3.5 liters of water. Silicate was 500 ml by the way. To complete it, a total of 8 liters by volume. If you sum everything we did here, sum it by volume, you will get apparently 8 liters. Now, the mold has the capacity to carry that 8 liters volume. I did not say 8 liters of oil. I said 8 liters of volume of soap batter. If you have progressed in soap making, you understand the grammar I'm speaking. I'm not talking about the volume of the oil. I'm saying the whole volume of everything you have mixed together. I will pour this lemon colored one in the longer mode of 20 inches, and then I'll pour the pink one in the shorter mode of 16 inches. You will see how the outcome will be, because this one that will go into a bigger mode will be a little bit more shallow compared to the pink one. So the outcome will help you. In the beginning of this video, I think I sampled the 2 soaps. You saw the pink one was bigger, wider compared to the lemon one. So even if I make the same quantity, you can also use it for either of your mold depending on the outcome you wish to get. Bear in mind that this video, I actually wanted to make this video for particularly people who purchase soap cutter, the mini cutter from me, specially for them, so that they will know the measurement they are working on. But along the line, everybody must benefit. So I'm sharing this video. So you go pain me too much, say you watch this video finish, and the only thing you can think of doing, you don't even follow my page, you don't subscribe to my channel, you don't even like my video, you don't even drop good comments, and then you go ahead and go and download this video. Then you will now use this video and sell to people in your own group who you are teaching how to make bar soap, and tell them I have a new method. And then you download my video, remove my voice, and voice over my video with your junior sister in your house or your spouse. And then you sell the video I'm using to teach people freely and empower a whole lot of people. You will now carry my video and sell to your people 2,000, or post it on Facebook, post my soap. All the people that used to post things on Facebook, most of them are generated from most of the pictures are generated from my channel. Practically 90% of their videos are generated from my YouTube channel. We've seen them posting my soap. Come and learn. You with 1,000 naira, I will teach you how to make. They will list the items, almost 100 items from beginning to end, all from my channel. Calm down. This my channel has a lot for you. You can do a lot. I have empowered a whole lot of persons on this channel. Countless of persons. With good reviews. I have them. I have good reviews of all of them. You can come down and learn all these things singly, and you will not even need to pay anybody else for teaching you an extra thing. I'm telling you, don't go and enter into one chance and somebody will stay somewhere, copy video and send to you, will pay the person money. And then when you have difficulty, you come back to the person to ask questions. Please, how do I correct this? They will tell you, I don't know, I've given you the recipe, I've done it now. Or they will just block you or remove you from the group. If you mess up, if you have any mistake in any private recipe I give you, probably you paid for some recipe, some commercial recipe, and I give you some commercial recipe, you have any flaws in it, I can easily detect where the problem is coming from, because it's my own recipe. I formulated it, and I will actually help you or guide you to recover it. I've encountered a beautiful lady, a friend of mine, a colleague of mine in soap making that stays in River State with me, who had almost she wanted to lose almost half drum of oil in bar soap making. On that very day, she the person that was helping her to make soap mistakenly poured in a wrong mixture inside the wrong oil and all that, and almost about 100 liters of oil was almost wasted. But gradually we recovered it back. Gradually, have to calm down, think. I called on God, prayed over it, and then with some guidance of the Holy Spirit, I was able to map out the things she would do. And lo and behold, all those soaps was recovered. She packaged it and she sold. When you have a mentor and your mentor is not able to help you out in terms of in times of difficulty, that person not be mentor. Know who you are following. So that is why when you leave this my YouTube page and come to me privately for some personal needs, somebody will just message me, please, good morning, Bam Glam, I'm following you from YouTube. Please list all the ingredients I will need to make 100 liters of floor cleaner and their prices for me. Thank you. Auntie. I'm not an insultive person. I hardly use bad words. So instead of me to be offended with it, I will just leave the message and don't respond to it. The video is for you there. I've gone to the market, bought the material, shot the video, edited the video, even with my tight schedule, even with a breastfeeding mom. I will still shoot the video and post to you. Then you are in your house, going to work, jejely, coming back, having nice time. And just to use pen and paper and pen down receipt, multiply it out is difficult for you. Haba now. All the same, if you are buying this soaping kit from me, always send your stamp details, which is about 4 to 6 letters. We'll use it and prepare your acrylic stamp, and then we'll add it to your set. The set is 50,000 naira. If you want the normal table cutters, those ones are 75,000 naira. And we'll ship to you anywhere you are. And it takes 2 weeks. To prevent, I want to come to your place and immediately I make payments, I want to carry it and go. Don't come. It takes 2 weeks, and it's an online business. Once you make payment, we arrange it and then we ship it out to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ignore all the warnings, please, but I just needed to make some points. So many times I come here, I've invested a whole lot of naira and money into this my YouTube channel. So it's always not nice seeing people just use my video and upload on their own personal YouTube channel without giving credits to me. In fact, it's not actually nice and appealing to even see or cite those kind of things. Please, if you have questions, drop it in the comment section. I will surely respond and answer you. You can also send a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp. I will also reply. Don't forget that apart from me being a content creator, I also have family. I also have a baby of about 4 months in my hand. So sometimes messages can be pressing and I may not even be able to attend to it. Sometimes I might even be in the clinic with my child. So please just drop your message calmly. I will reply. I will surely reply. I will surely reply.